Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So Tudia was nice enough to send me a case for the G7 and I much appreciate that. This is my LG G7. Really loving this phone. Just posted another video on it, so go check that out. Sure to check the links in the description for smartphoneconversations.com and to pick up this case for $8 if you're in the market for a new case. Spicing up your phone sometimes really can help the way you feel about your phone, like changing out the screen protector, putting a tempered glass on there, doing a matte screen protector, doing a different case for sure is the way to spice up your phone. So this is the Tudia Merge. You've seen this 1,000 times from me on different phones, and here it is for the G7. It's got that nice little texture on ridges on the side right there. You'll see the volume and power is covered, and that AI button is covered as well. Camera cutouts, microphone, and all the ports on the bottom. So let's pop it on. And I do have a tempered glass on here, so this lets you know that it works well with this tempered glass. The fingerprint reader works really good too. It's got that sloping design, so let me show you what I'm talking about here. So deeply recessed right here. Deeply recessed. And all ports and cutouts are ready to go for you, man. It feels good in the hand. The phone is still very, very light. With no problems at all, man. So real quick video, brief and to the point. It's your man Jay. Links in the description for this one right here. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.